yeah, 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 yeah.
Candy. Bet you taste just like candy. Do you taste just like candy? Yeah. What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Candy J, and I am back with another video. This video is very informative. So you guys stay tuned. Also, if you have not already clicked that subscribe button to become one of my sweet treats, then do that right now, because you guys, my sweet treats are sweet, and I know you want to be sweet too. I be sour when you keep me sweet. Anyways, so we're finna jump right into this video, you guys. I did the aloe vera plant, the actual plant, for 7 whole days. For 7 whole days, I used the aloe vera plant on my skin after cleansing my face, and I've noticed some amazing results, and I just want to share that with you guys. And enough of all this chit chat, we're gonna get right into this video. So this is very self-explanatory, but I'm just gonna go ahead and give details. You just start by cutting a piece off of the plant. Size may vary, and you cut the size off, and then you just take and apply the gel all over your face. I take my fingers and like prick inside of it to get more gel out of it, because it'll like seem like it's running out, but you do not want to waste it. And also I'll take my thumb and scoop up the gel and go in and massage it all over my face. That is really what I'm doing throughout this video. Okay, so now around the 5th day, you start to see drastic difference. I am starting to see my skin glow. I am seeing my dark spots become lighter. My skin is very tight and it is soft. in the description box, I will put where I got my aloe vera plant from. If you want a more in detailed skincare routine on how I get my skin looking how it's looking, you guys. Just, I love my skin. I am glowing and I'm happy. I'm very happy, you guys. But if you want to know how I get my skin looking, how I get it, you guys, then what you want to do is you want to subscribe, you know. But comment if you want a more in detailed, you know, skincare routine, you guys. My skin is very like soft. It's very soft now, and I notice I have a glow. I do not use any. I haven't, when I'm doing the 7-day aloe vera plant, I use nothing else on my skin but aloe vera. To moisturize my skin, I use Shea Moisture. I think that's what it's called. The shea butter? Shea butter. Oops, shea butter, not Shea Moisture. That's what you use in your hair. I use shea butter on my skin because I don't have sensitive skin, but it's only so much that my skin can tolerate. So yeah, so I use that on my skin because lotion does not keep my skin moisturized. It actually dries my skin out. When first using it, you guys, it's very like itchy and irritating a little bit to my skin. But after using it, my skin got used to it. And when I first used it, it's like it was very dry, like up in this part, like it left my skin very dry. And at first I was very skeptical about it. I was like, this face is, I'm loving it, you know, after I'm using it and I guess getting my skin in, like a lot of my dark spots are light of everything, it like really, I just did its job, you guys. I feel like it's something great to use. You know it's a glow. You like using other natural products and you don't like using a lot of things. Enough of all that, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give this video. I already had like good skin, I would say. I don't have bad skin. I've noticed that it's made it so much better, and I would recommend this to anyone, you know. Try it, you know, just to try it. I hope this was very helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, you guys. But yeah, I gotta go. Do not forget. I don't know what's going on. I'm getting very tongue-tied. But anyways, I am out. It is your girl, Candy. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, you guys. Do not forget to click that like